Hello, my name is Kathy Tucker. I've attempted several times to have my name changed correctly while it was still Ashford, but they still haven't done that yet. This is my introduction to EDU 620. My major is Masters of Education with specialization in curriculum and design. Once I obtain my degree, I would like to use it to help other teachers in the classroom. I would like to become an instructional coach, working with lower elementary teachers to help them in their classrooms so students have a firm foundation in their education journey. And that's so hard to find um, in so many districts, especially for lower elementary. Everyone focuses on the STAR testing or the high stakes testing that they forget that if we had that firm foundation, there wouldn't be such a panic when these mandated tests came along. From the course learning objectives, I feel will make me more marketable in smaller districts that have difficulties keeping up with current technologies in classrooms. I just got hired into a district with such issues. They don't even have smart boards. They're still using a projector and the whiteboard to use. So they haven't even integrated up into the usage of smart boards. It will allow me to design a curriculum around the TEKS. I teach here in Texas, integrating with technology that goes with the lesson being brought into the classroom. I will also be able to help learners that are atypical learners expand how things are presented by using technology that is geared towards what they need, which is very important, not for all students, but especially our atypical learners. The week 6 assignment, I would be on the educator side of the project to address the school board in the meeting. I find this assignment excited because it is a possible presentation that I may be able to present one day. But what I really don't like about is addressing the school board can be very disconcerting. If they or the superintendent do not like the presentation, they can make it hard on the teacher. And I've seen this happen throughout the 6, 7 years I've been teaching. Um, what it will do, though, is it will have me researching about multiple technologies that can be used in the classroom to provide resources that meet a student right where they are for additional intervention. I look forward to getting to know y'all over this 6 weeks and probably into the next classes that we'll attend. Thank you.